there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. Hello everyone! This is the continuation of the What Love Is Iloilo concert with Mr. Martin Rivera. We are both really excited para sa concert na ito kasi this is the kick-off of What Love Is Philippine Tour. Gusto kasi namin na i-share sa maraming tao ang aming music and we want everyone to feel love for our songs. Kaya before the concert, we did a complete rehearsal of the whole repertoire. Also, I had to do my dance rehearsal with the G-Force dancers. Nothing beats being prepared well.
Sarah last year. Ako, years ago, so excited ako to go back. I'm with Sarah because I really enjoy doing this show. Working with Sarah is so easy, and with all of you, so easy. So, excited ako. Wala nang washing hands. Wala yung K-pop na, walang budget yata para sa mga K-popers eh. I know, I'll just wash my hands na lang.
Interview lang sa hotel with Sir Martin Rivera, tapos na. Relax lang yung dinner. Si Sir Martin, nakakatawa. Sarap kasama yung Sir Martin. Yung dapat, yung parang beef scallops ko. Basta scallops. Kaya sarap niya. Actually, favorite ko na yung scallops. At yung halos seafoods, ayun, yun yung hindi ko makalimutan yung scallops. Yun yung kinain ko talaga.
Tapos it's just like a landmark. I mean, anybody who wanted to visit Iloilo, you just had to stop by at Atlas and taste the food. You know, the food is really good. Price is really, I mean, I'm not in any way proud of them. I'm not in any way endorsing them, but I mean, Iloilo, if you're really want to have a really nice gastronomic experience, it's here where you can really find it.
Hello guys, good morning. Ito po, we're on our way to the venue sa Central Philippine University Gym. Ayan. So actually, nandyan na po talaga kami. Dito na kami. So, yan, mag-rehearsal. Run through muna ng show. Tapos, yun na, prepare na. Show na later tonight.
Security-wise, marami kaming pinap sa Iloilo eh. May pinap kami from the local PNP police at saka may mga private sectors din at saka agency na security na kinuha namin. And then, one from Manila na talagang sanayan with martial events, ganyan. So, parang nakaplano naman handa naman yung producers at saka yung organizers dito.
I'm actually in charge of venue arrangements and production, the stage, the lights and sounds, the backstage, and the whole, all the things related to the venue. Well, as with all events, it took a lot of pre-planning and organizing and, detail work, because I always believe that in events, it's always in the planning. It's always in the planning where you make your event, where you ensure your event's success.
Everything starts from rehearsal. The way Sarah and Martin treats rehearsal, it's like a show. What you see and what you hear in the rehearsal is actually the show. Kaya doon namin kinukuha kagad yun. I had to make sure that the artist would be very comfortable on stage. Secondly, the musicians and the backup singers. And then the dancers. Pagka okay na sila, tsaka ako pupunta sa technicals. Yung video playback, the sound, nagsimula ng isa, it's possible to affect yung susunod.
This is the first show for the tour, and we're now in Iloilo, and next week we'll be in Cebu, if I'm not mistaken. Tapos madami pa nakalinya. Kanina sabi ko kailangan ibuo yung buong show. Kailangan gawin namin a whole run through. Kasi it's been a while since we played a straight run of the whole show.
Yung first time namin is the next one, 2 years ago. Tapos, ASAP, Iloilo, nagpunta kami. Tapos ngayon, third time namin.
Sobrang malalambing. Totoo pala yung sinasabi nila na pag Ilonggo, malalambing. Totoo ito, marami akong friends na taga-Iloilo.
First time ko lang makasama sa tour with provincial tour ni Sarah Ironimo. Una pressured kasi first time eh.
In fairness to her, siguro kasi parang excited na siguro siya kasi this is the first leg or kick-off of the tour. So parang hindi ko nakita yung pagod niya. Hindi pa ako nakasama ng kick-off talaga. So parang this was the first time I think na kick-off. So parang sabi ko, parang full of the energy siya eh. Everything was okay. Parang alive pa rin siya.